is repetitive, convoluted, and therefore unnecessarily complicated. That is how Guyana's Chief Justice Roxanne George Wiltshire describes the amended Elections Law Act and the National Registration Act. Justice George Wiltshire was addressing the issues even as she was made to engage these matters in her quest to deliver a response to Christopher Ram's challenge to the ongoing house-to-house registration activity. The Chief Justice noted that notwithstanding the constitutional regulatory apparatus in place, the legislative framework leaves much to be desired. She noted that understanding and applying the laws call for a repetitive act of the cross-referencing of the two pieces of legislation. The judge then opined that any changes which could possibly simplify the process would need to involve both the executive and the legislative bodies. The judge did not speak to who the beneficiaries are of the current repetitive, convoluted, and unnecessarily complicated laws. The Chief Justice would only say that her telling description of the law is as much as the court could say. Kaieteur News is reporting that the attorney at law Roysdale Ford is in agreement with the Chief Justice's statement, stating that we need to have a legislative review of the act governing the electoral system. However, Ram's attorney, Sanjeev Datadin, expressed mixed sentiments about the electoral laws. He noted that he does welcome an updating, but does not have any issues with the current laws governing the electoral system. He is quoted as saying, "My issue with the legislation itself is that amendments are not done in an organized way, and in some cases the amendments have errors." Both the Chief Justice and those responding to the Chief Justice's dire description of Guyana's electoral laws agree that these matters call for constitutional reform. For Channel 2 Headline News, Wendell Jeffrey.